My name is Jimmy Mack, and I am the Nabsyes Committee Chairperson and Coordinator. YES is the acronym for Youth Educational Summit, and this is a program where we bring together young teenagers between the ages of 12 to 17 years old. It is open to non-divers and divers, and the focus is to get them educate them about the marine sciences and the different opportunities they have. Some of the activities that we had planned or scheduled was the ROV, remotely operated vehicles, which is definitely a part of the marine sciences.
My name is Ed Williams. I own Robonautica LLC. I make underwater robotic systems. We built two very introductory remotely operated vehicles. They operate in swimming pools.
So first we put it together, the skeleton, and then we just made sure the propellers were working, and then we did all the wiring.
It's crazy. It was just little PVC pipes laid on the table. We turned it into a robot.
They could be used for many underwater activities and stuff, like recording or picking something up, or just trying to get something more organized.
There were divers that wanted to have more knowledge of the deepest spot in the world, so they built these robots to go down instead of them.
The main thing was just to get them to understand why we're doing this and what the background is and what it could lead to.
We have more marine species out there that we don't even know about, and we're learning more and more every day. So this is a very interesting area to study, and just getting the kids involved to know about it.
The oceans are now under human stewardship. If we don't get the data out of the oceans to know to know how to manage them, we'll never be able to manage them properly.
Okay, today we are going to the coral nursery to clean the coral trees. We're going to use brushes, scrapers to get off the algae and hard fire coral and other encrusting objects off the tree so the corals can stay healthier. So we're in buddy teams and we're going to dive for about 35 minutes.
My name is Tyrese Evelyn. Through the coral restoration class, I learned about the different types of coral, the different bleachings that's happened over the years, and how the coral is dying. Because coral is the life of the ocean. It's what the fish feed off of, what the fish live in. It's the life of the fish, the life of the ocean.
It's very important to have healthy corals because it provides homes for fishes and all the other sea creatures that are out there.
It should be our duty to save it as divers.
They're a habitat for our fish, and without the coral reefs, that means 80% of our fish would be homeless, essentially. And with, hard work and dedication, we could, sounds cliche, but we could actually help the world better itself by just simply helping the coral reef.
The coral restoration is learning about the corals, why we have the coral bleaching and everything, and to learn what the corals are.
It's awesome because not only does it help the fish, it also helps the future divers, because if we don't help right now, there's nothing to look at. It will just be water without meaning. So it's amazing knowing that we're helping everybody, really. In the end, we're helping everybody.
My name is Orsi Cruz. I am 18 years old. I speared 3 lionfish this week. It does help controlling the population, because every lionfish does a monstrous damage to the reef. So anything that we do is a lot.
They hunt one species and they don't stop hunting until that species is gone. Everybody caught a lionfish and it was awesome. It was a lot of adrenaline because it was exciting that, catching one.
Since it's not native to this region, they're causing an imbalance to our ecosystem.
Oh, you want to spear the lionfish because they don't help the ocean. They don't help these reefs. They're actually detrimental to it.
They are eating everything, and they do not have a natural predator. Okay, we do not have their predators here, so they are multiplying so fast. Whenever we see a lionfish, we spear it. Then you have the nurse sharks that follow us throughout the dive. The nurse shark will come and take those lionfish off our spear. We notice that the nurse sharks are eating the lionfish when we feed them, but we do not have no evidence that they're hunting them on their own. But our aim is to create that predator for the lionfish.